Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go through Table 5A of the Table 5A of the Canadian Electrical Code Part 1. And what this table is its correction factors that apply to Tables 1, 2, 3, and 4 dealing with ampacity. Now the idea is those tables are built to withstand or deal with an ambient temperature of up to 30 degrees Celsius, okay? Anywhere up to 30 degrees. Once we get over 30 degrees Celsius, the problem is the heat generated from the conductors have a hard time being dissipated into the room. So anytime we get above 30 degrees Celsius, we need to use this table 5A and derate those conductors. Now how this works is down the left-hand side, we have the actual ambient temperature. Notice we start above 30. Now, for the regular tables 1, 2, 3, and 4, it can be anywhere up to 30. But if we get above that, we're going to be using this range here, 35, 40, 45. And then we have the insulation temperature rating of the actual conductor themselves, a 60-degree insulation rating or a 75 or a 90. And then we have all these numbers in here, and what they represent is a percentage of the original ampacity that the conductor could have, okay? So the easiest way to do this is we will go through an example. So find the current carrying capacity of an AWG number 10, 75 degrees Celsius, that's the sheathing rating, single copper conductor if placed at an ambient temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. So we've passed that 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature limit. Now, where do we start? Okay. First thing we do, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Table 1 and find the current carrying capacity of that conductor. So we'll bring Table 1 back in here. We won't bring it back. This is the first time we've seen it. Now, Table 1 is allowable ampacities for single copper conductors. Okay. And here you can see based on an ambient temperature of 30 or no more than 30. So what we had an AWG number 10 out there, and we had the sheathing rating of 75 Celsius. And what we get is that the conductor under normal circumstances, not above 30, can handle 50 amps. Okay, where do we go from here? So we've got our answer of 50 amps. Now the next thing we got to do, we got to go to Table 5A and now find the duration factor. So we'll bring Table 5A back in. And we say, okay, the temperature rating that we were dealing with, or the ambient in this question, was 45. The sheathing rating was 75, and we get a number of 0.82. And that's what we refer to as the correction factor, or the duration factor. Basically, what we could normally handle was 50 amps, and this is telling us we have to derate it, or we can only now handle 82% of the original current carrying capacity. So if we go back, there you go. You could originally handle 50 amps. Now you had to derate it, and now it could only handle 82% or 41 amps. There you have it. That is Table 5A of the Canadian Electrical Code Part 1. Thanks for watching.